Hello guys. Welcome to Trusted Auto. In this video, we are going to talk about a variety of best car wash brushes in 2022 and how we have categorized them into a list starting from numbers 5, 4, 3 and so on. The best car wash brush is discreetly described by examining its composition, structure and durability. So do watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments section if you liked the video. Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Plus to share this video with your friends. Each of the products has its link below in the description box so you can find more information about them. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 5, we have Ettore Extend-A-Flo Auto Wash Brush. A great option that features a flow-through pole is the Extend-A-Flo from Ettore. Amazon customers rate the brush very highly thanks to its ergonomic grip and integrated shut-off valve for greater water flow control. The soft bristled head is perfect for working all over your vehicle, but be aware that the bristles may be considered too soft for those tougher spots and the 10-inch head may be too bulky for some hard-to-reach spots. Furthermore, this car wash brush has 72 inches long handle which you can use on your long vehicle. Available in blue color with a soft holding grip and soft bristles have the ability to remove dust without harming the surface of your car. Still, it's a great choice if you're looking for an affordable flow-through car wash brush that can make short work of even the largest vehicles. Moving on to number 4, we will be discussing DocaPole Car Wash Brush Extension Pole. Another great choice that has proven popular with buyers is this soft brush with an extension pole from DocaPole. With a colossal 12-foot reach, this is a great choice for those with very large vehicles like trucks, vans and RVs. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee and customers speak highly of the brand's customer service for added peace of mind. The soft bristles are designed to work well over paintwork without fear of scratching and many buyers have even found a use for it cleaning their home siding and other hard-to-reach places around their homes as well. You should be aware however, that the head of this item is fairly small, meaning that you're likely to be taking a much longer time to get your car sparkling clean. In third place, we have Brite with Deluxe Brush Combo. If you need a tough car wash brush to handle the heavy-duty work, this is the brush you should be looking at. Featuring an aircraft-grade aluminum handle and medium hardness bristles, Brite's brush is aimed at really displacing those tough stains and dirt spots on your vehicle. The brush also floats, which makes it excellent if you're looking for a tool that'll serve double duty in the garage and on the dock. While most customers were impressed with this brush's cleaning power, some users have noticed that the brush and handle can separate after heavy use. But if you're looking for the kind of brush that will really sort out stains and grime, this is the brush for you. On number 2, we will be discussing Carcarez Short Handle Car Wheel Brush. This little brush might not reach as far as the others on this list, but its compact size and shape, as well as its feathered bristles, make it a great option for making wheels and bright work shine, especially in tight spots. The dimensions of this brush are 9.33 by 4.72 by 3.9 inches and weigh about 6 ounces with a wooden grip for longevity. We're particularly enthused by how dense the bristles appear to be, and as customers have reported, which helps suds and lather where they're needed to get the dirt off. Carcarez's low price point also makes this brush an excellent value pick if you can only justify one brush in your garage. In the first place, we will be talking about Mother's Long Handled Brush. Hitting the top spot on our list is this soft car wash brush from Mother's. This car wash brush is designed for wells and wheels but, with a longer handle than most similar brushes, it can be used almost anywhere on your vehicle. The soft bristles mean that you can use this without fear of scratches or scrapes, and the rubber bumper helps you focus on getting your car clean, not avoiding any accidental scraps and marks. This is a long-handled car wash brush that should be comfortable to use because the handle allows you to reach into almost any tight space with the brush's compact head, and it also comes with an ergonomic, non-slip grip to help you get the leverage you need to wipe away those stubborn bits of dirt. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below which are updated to the latest prices. Thanks for watching, hope to see you guys in the next video, until then goodbye.